Hi, my name's Sasha, and today I want to show you how to make this little cross. For this project, you're going to need some string. I've got two different colors just so that you can see easier what I'm doing. I've got them doubled and then I got a little knot there. I've got two like that, and just to start the pattern you hold it like this. I don't think this is macrame. I think it's more a scooby wire pattern, but I think it looks really pretty in string. So you just make two little bunny ears like that, and then you get your black string and you put it over this string and through this bunny ear. Don't let it go over. Got to stay on that side, and then you get this string and go over the string and through that bunny ear. Move this out the way. It'll look like that, and then you pull the two underneath and pull this one and pull this one, and it makes like a little square. You just continue that pattern until it looks like this, and then this one's going to be about that long, and I did the other one, and this one I made a little bit longer so that it's the bottom part of the cross. And now to connect them together and then make these two, you just line it up like this, and then you get your little bunny ears again like that. There's the two bunny ears, and then I went over this one and through there, and over this one and through there. So I've taken a white one and a black one from this side, and a white and a black one from this side, and I'm just pulling the bunny ears down like I did before, and then pulling these so it makes that little square again. It's gone a bit to the side, but don't worry, when you keep going it'll tighten up. So I'm going to do the bunny ears again, this one over there and this one over there, so it looks like the little bunny ears, and then just go back through the black one over the white one and through this bunny ear, and then this one over this white one and through that bunny ear, and then you just pull those down, and then pull this tight, pull this tight. See, it'll make that little square again, and you just continue doing that until this one is the same length as this one. Okay, I've got this far. I did the pattern all the way to the end here, and I did a knot, and now I'm just going to cut off this excess string, and then we're going to start on this side. It's the same thing with the bunny ears. You pull this one this side, so bunny ear starts there, bunny ear starts there, and then pull this one through there, and then you hold it this side, this one through there. Okay, and then pull the bunny ears down, pull these tight, and there's your little square. You can pull it a bit tighter if you want. And then the same thing. Just continue doing the pattern. Okay, I've finished now. I put a knot and I cut off the excess, and this is what it's going to look like. I made this one and I put little key rings on there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more projects.